Hi, today we talk how we can make a range, only show a range. Let's I tell you, let's I run our file. As you see, it takes a little time to it show a range, to show a chart. So, for example, sometimes we want only show, for example, this range from here until, not anymore. Because sometimes chart will be heavy and we want only this. So how we can just show this, how we can just calculate on this section and this part and arrange how. So let's I tell you, first we write a start time. Our start time can be here, but we want compare current. For example, current time should be higher than start time and less than end time. That's for example we write end time. This can be our end time. So we want to compare our current time should be less than start time and end time. So we should filter, and because we want to compare, we should convert it to daytime. Okay. Also we should convert this time column to daytime too. So here we write df time equal to pd dot to daytime df time. Okay, so here we define a new df filter. So this will be equal to df, which our time column is higher than and equal to start time, and our df time is less than or equal end time. Here instead of df we write df filter. Okay, sorry, df filter. So as you see now, our chart is so shorter, and we restrict it from, yeah, as you see, same end.